What's up YouTube, a Bum in a Suit here, coming back with another video break of 2008 UD Premier Football. Crack this open. Hopefully this box has been as good as our other boxes from this case, and I didn't open it all the way. Try a little bit harder that time. There we go. Oh, it worked. And once again, as always from this case, these stickers are not on. Kind of just like hanging off there. Hopefully there's a pack inside, which there is. So that is awesome. Oops. That side there. Alright, here we go. Fail. Tried to open it from that side. It's not opening. Let's try from this side. There we go. There we go. Hide the bottom of the card so you guys can't see, because obviously the bottom card is in plain view. Alright. Card number 1. Base card of Greg Jennings, numbered 80 of 99. Greg Jennings. Let me move the light so you guys can see a little bit better. Numbered 80 and 99. And for the rookie, we have something decent. It will be a redemption card. 2008 UD Premier Football Premier Rookie Signature Memorabilia, number 275 of Eddie Royal. Eddie Royal, better than Dorsey. Eddie Royal. Right. Which I believe they were traded away. Alright, menu patch. The manufacturer patch is going to be a gold manufacturer patch for the Chiefs of Glenn Dorsey, number 9 of 15. An All-American patch. Kind of a nice looking patch. But Glenn Dorsey, so. Alright, next card. Go slow. Alright, nice patches. Once again, it's going to be a one color, three color. I'd do one color, three color. Numbered 39 of 50 for the Broncos of Mr. Champ Bailey. Mr. Champ Bailey. One color, really three color. You got to look really close. Really nice patches, though. Really nice patches with Mr. Champ Bailey. So, pretty sick looking card. Alright. Moving right along. And not the greatest player. Will be an eBay 1 of 1, not an actual 1 of 1. It'll be for the Steelers. An autograph of rookie autograph. I don't know if it's a rookie or not, actually. I think it is. It's premier penmanship anyway. Bruce Davis, numbered 1. Numbered 01 of 25. And his autograph, I hate that. His autograph runs way off the sticker. Numbered 1 of 25. eBay 1 of 1 though. Low numbered. Alright, the next card. Let's see. Yeah, definitely another redemption. I'm going to say it right off the bat. Another redemption. Not somebody we wanted. But 2008 UD Premier Football Premier Signatures Trio. Number to 25. It's going to have to be a random, I believe. It's Chad Johnson, Derek Anderson, and Vincent Binyard. If you can see that or not. Not the best of trios, but not bad. Yeah, Ocho Cinco, Derek Anderson, and I don't know why the hell they have Binyard on there, but they do. And the last card is pretty nice looking. Be nice if it was an autograph, but it is not. We pulled our autograph already out of that. It's going to be a one color of Eli Manning for the Giants, numbered 51 of 65, Career Remnants 3 jersey. Career Remnants 3. So that is our box of 08 Premier. Coming back down to earth a little bit from that box, from the other boxes we've had from that same case, but there's still 2 more boxes from that case we haven't opened yet. So, not a bad box though. I mean, not bad at all. I've seen a lot worse. So, but anyway, this is a bum to suit out, guys.